Hi, it's Ben Johnson here from wizardplugins.com. In this short video I'm going to go through and show you how to set up the Use SEO URL setting for the LS Wizard plugin for WordPress. Before you do anything else, you should have installed the LS Wizard plugin, entered your license information and also entered your link share API key. Once you've done that, you can log into your WP admin area and in the left hand side down in the settings menu, click on LS Wizard and you'll be taken through to the LS Wizard configuration page. And then scroll down to the general settings section where the first option you'll find is the Use SEO URL setting. Now the Use SEO URL setting essentially cloaks your affiliate links and makes them look as if they originate from your own website. And let me show you a little bit more about what this means. If I bring in this screen here, a standard affiliate link from the LS Wizard plugin will look something like this. However, by using the SEO URL setting, it will look more like this. So the beginning part of the URL, the web address, is replaced to show your own domain name .com, and the next part of the web address will be the URL prefix, which is the setting that we see here. So what does this allow you to do? Well, it basically allows you to show affiliate links which appear to originate from your own website, but it also means that you can use the URL prefix to no-follow the URLs if you wanted to in your robot.txt file. So in order to get this set up, we need to do a few things. We first need to check the option Use SEO URLs. For the URL prefix setting, if you're not using any other Wizard plugin from our package, then you can leave this set as item dash. However, if you are using one of the other Wizard plugins from our package, then this URL prefix must be different for each plugin that you are using. In other words, if you're using the Commission Junction plugin and your URL prefix is already set to item dash, you cannot use the same URL prefix for your LS Wizard plugin. So in this instance, I'm going to change this to product. Once you've checked that and you've set your URL prefix, we're going to scroll down and click Save All Options. And scroll back down to your general settings, and you will now see that a new box has appeared under the Use SEO URL setting which says htaccess code. This code is going to need to be placed into your htaccess file in order for the SEO URLs to redirect. If you don't place this code into your htaccess file, or if you place it incorrectly, then it will prevent the URLs redirecting and you'll be presented with a 404 error page whenever you click on one of your affiliate links. There are a couple of ways you can paste this htaccess code into your htaccess file. The htaccess file is usually located in the root of your website and can be located using an FTP client like FileZilla, or we can install a plugin into WordPress, a free plugin which will allow you to access the htaccess code directly, and that's exactly what we're going to do now. So at this point you need to highlight this htaccess code, right click and copy, and I'm going to bring in this notepad file and paste it into here, ready to put into our htaccess file. I'm now going to head over to the plugins section of my WP admin area and click on Add New. We're then going to install the WP htaccess editor, click Search for Plugins, and it should be the first one that appears in the list. Click on Install Now, click OK, and click on Activate Plugin. You'll now be presented with a new set of options down in the left hand menu which says htaccess, and the first thing that you're going to need to do is click on the backup link. What this is going to enable you to do is going to create a backup of your htaccess file, and therefore if anything goes wrong whilst you're copying the code across and something gets broken, then you can restore the backup without any issues. It says, do you want to create a backup file? Click Create New, and the backup file has now been created. Ideally, you should now download the backup file and save it somewhere safe on your computer just in case. We can now go back to our htaccess settings and go to the htaccess editor link. And you'll now see the contents of your htaccess file have been brought into this text box here. All we're going to do is bring back the code that we saved a little earlier. Right click and copy. I'm going to create a few new lines in my htaccess file and paste this code at the very top of the htaccess file above all other code, making sure not to interfere with any existing code. At this point, if your website was located in a subdirectory, such as yourdomain.com/blog, you would need to change the rewrite base from a / to / the name of the subdirectory, such as blog /. However, in this instance, and in 99% of cases, your website will be installed on the root and will be accessed via www.yourdomain.com. And in that instance, you can leave the rewrite base as it is. Simply click Save File and just double check that everything on your website is working by visiting your site through the WP admin area. And what you can do now is head back over to the LS Wizard admin page, and in the next video we're going to continue setting up the global admin options.